you eat potatoes? Do you like them? Potatoes are part of different recipes and can be found on most people's plates. Did you know that potatoes are the fourth most consumed food in the world after rice, wheat, and corn? Amazing, right? This tuber is originally from the Peruvian and Bolivian Andes and has been cultivated for more than 7,000 years. Its popularity comes from being a cheap food, easy to grow and cook. But potatoes also have good nutritional properties. They contain lots of water and food fiber and are a source of carbs for daily life. They also have vitamins A, B, and C, vitamin E, minerals, and fats. But in today's video, you will see some curious uses for potatoes in our lives. Alleviates headaches. Put some finely sliced raw potatoes over your forehead or gently pass them over your temples in a circular motion. The relief it brings is incredible. Lowers fevers. Just slice a raw potato and put it over your feet. Wear socks over them to keep the potato slices firm against your skin. Fights insomnia. Eating cooked potatoes at night can improve your sleep since it is easily digested and gets rid of the hunger that may cause insomnia. Did you know that potatoes also balance stomach acidity? Fights stress. Drinking the water used to cook potatoes as tea can help prevent stress. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Contributes to treat hypertension. Drinking a tea made with potato peels helps with blood circulation and alleviates the issues caused by hypertension. Potato peel tea also facilitates the digestive process and detoxifies the body. Helps with rheumatism. Did you know that regularly drinking raw potato juice can help your rheumatism? Prevents constipation. All you need is to make raw potato juice and drink it in the morning to break your fast. Skin treatment. Using raw potato slices over sunburns, dark circles, and acne reduces the swelling and redness of the skin and alleviates the pain. Helps alleviate the pain of muscle torsions. Raw potato slices, cold or hot, covered in a soft cloth, can substitute for compresses in an emergency. Did you imagine that potatoes could be used in so many ways besides yummy recipes? In all cases, it is worth mentioning that no homemade recipe, in this case with potatoes, can replace the health treatments prescribed by professionals. When in doubt, always talk to your doctor.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.